So how to sell your hamster on your Binance? If you open your Binance, then you can see this kind of interface, and if you are using light mode, then just convert it light pro, then you can see this kind of interface. And press on your total balance. Then if you go to a spot area, then how much you have hamster available, you able to see. Suppose I have 1732 coin and this coin price is 6.96 USD. Suppose you want to sell it. To sell it, just press on your hamster, and once you press on here, then you can see this kind of interface. Two way you can sell your hamster. You can convert with your hamster to other crypto, or you can sell all. To sell all, press on trading, then press on sell. Now here is the option market limit stop loss. You can choose your price. Suppose if you select a market area, then your hamster coin sell immediately. And now enter your amount. Suppose how much you want to sell. Suppose I want to sell 25%. Total is 433, and select market, press on sell hamster. So total amount should be 5 USDT. So you have to select at least 5 USDT. So for 5 USDT, it means max sell 6.96. So you have to select at least 5 USD to sell it. And if you want to convert it, once you select 5 USD, if you press on select sell, then your hamster will be sent. And another option, if you go back again, then you can see recommended area. You can see your convert hamster to other crypto. Suppose I want to convert my hamster to other crypto, then select your hamster and select USDT. Suppose I want to convert my hamster to USDT. Now select your max amount, then its total price is 6.90 now. So now press on trade. Now confirm. Now it's complete. Now go back my account, and if I go the spot area, you see I have no hamster. Now it's added to my total balance. So that's it. This is how you can easily sell your hamster on your Binance. Thank you. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe.